Hello, today's topic is real functions. If the domain and codomain of the function are subsets of R, that is the set of all real numbers, it is called a real valued function, or in short, a real function. Suppose A and B be the subset of R. Suppose this is A and this is the set B. Suppose in the set A we have a value x, and here we get the value of fx with the help of this function f. Sometimes we also say that f takes value fx at x, and it can be imagined that fx be the image of x under f, or the value of f at x. Okay, so fx be the image of x under f. Okay, if f is a real valued function with finite domain, then f can be described by listing the values which is attains at different point of its domain. If x is finite, then we can list the fx values. But if the value of x are infinite, then fx is described by some general formula. Like x square plus 1, or 2 into sine x plus 3, etc. Now with an example, we can understand this concept more specifically. Suppose fx is equals to x plus 1 by x, and fx whole cube is equals to fx cube plus lambda f of 1 by x, and we need to find the value of lambda. Okay, so let's start the solution. Given that fx is equals to x plus 1 by x, then we can write that f of x cube is equals to x cube plus 1 by x cube, and f of x whole cube can be written as x plus 1 by x whole cube. Okay, and we know that the formula of a plus b whole cube can be written as x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 into x plus 1 by x. Okay, we can write it as f of x cube plus 3 into f of x. Therefore the value of lambda is equals to 3. Okay, so we already find the value of lambda, which is equals to 3. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.